Imagine Jennifer Lopez personally inviting you on a cruise. That's exactly what Virgin Voyages did with their dazzling Gen AI campaign. It transformed J.Lo into a digital cruise ambassador by using generative AI to let customers craft custom, star-studded invitations. The highlight? A hilarious ad in which members of the Virgin staff wore high-tech suits to morph into Gen AI, each adding their own quirky twist to the invite. It was a mix of glitz, giggles, and cutting-edge tech, showing just how fun and personal a cruise invitation can be for users. Hi there, I'm Kai, and welcome back to Success with AI and Customer Service. Today, we're going to take a walk down the elusive world of generative AI and customer experience. Imagine this scenario. Harper nearly missed her flight due to a delay, and she's miles away from happiness, just like she might have been from her destination. She quickly shoots off a message to the airline, and the company's AI bot responds right away. Detecting her frustration, it routes her to grievances. Sophie, the expert in the know of the context, starts typing. But the AI, being one step ahead, helps her flesh out a more empathetic reply. And the AI helps Sophie do just that by nudging her to wrap up the conversation with something that's on the house. Harper jumps off her seat thinking, a free first-class upgrade? Now that's more like it. And just like that, generative AI saves the day by turning that customer's frown upside down with his personal, precise, and almost human-like intuition. It shouldn't come as a surprise that the real way to any customer's heart winds through every valuable moment they share with your brand. And generative AI can help you deliver them through personalized social and marketing messaging, through customer service that makes them go, wow, and through product experiences that make their lives easier. With that said, let's unpack these key means of providing exceptional customer experiences through Gen AI. If your customers deeply resonate with your campaigns, that's half the job done. Personalizing the message to a T is every marketer's dream, and AI can help make that dream a reality. Generative AI can analyze both structured and unstructured data to help you find human stories behind all that information. This way, you'll know the exact kind of message your marketing team needs to send to customers. Campaigns are no longer shots in the dark. They're strategic, informed, and targeted. But how do you get the word out through campaigns in a way your customers love? Well, here's where generative AI is your social media buddy. It can create posts that are channel-specific and culturally resonant, all in real time. Need an X post that's sharp and engaging? Generative AI crafts it in no time. Want a LinkedIn post that's polished and professional? Consider it done. What's more, before you hit post, it even checks your content for image quality, tone, and grammar so your customers hear the voice of your brand in all its melodious glory, every time. Speaking of melodies, imagine Jennifer Lopez personally inviting you on a cruise. That's exactly what Virgin Voyages did with their dazzling Gen AI campaign. It transformed J.Lo into a digital cruise ambassador by using generative AI to let customers craft custom, star-studded invitations. The highlight? A hilarious ad in which members of the Virgin staff wore high-tech suits to morph into Gen AI, each adding their own quirky twist to the invite. It was a mix of glitz, giggles, and cutting-edge tech, showing just how fun and personal a cruise invitation can be for users. Chatbots often get a bad rep for being repetitive and unintuitive. But what if, instead, your customers got answers so spot on, they think, are they reading my mind? Generative AI is a psychic that way. It works in tandem with conversational AI to gauge customer intent and sentiment to provide deeply contextual and relevant responses. That's how your customers aren't just answered to, they're understood, with context and all. While it can't single-handedly tackle complex problems, it can help your agents do so with incredible efficiency. Generative AI sums up important points from customer chats and uses semantic search to understand what agents are saying. Then it finds the most useful info to quickly help customers with solutions. If you're health conscious, you'd know Planet Fitness. With generative AI, the fitness center keeps hitting a new personal record with every new service experience on all channels. Generative AI today lets a specialist tailor their tone to each customer, matching the rhythm of every conversation. Whether it's casual service interactions on TikTok or professional advice on Google Reviews, they've got it all covered. The company's agents know just the right words to use for every chat to feel just as personal as the customer's gym routine, keeping the service experience as comfortable as their favorite pair of sneakers. You know what else directly impacts your customer experience? Getting your product right and making it super simple to use. Generative AI can act like an ear to floating online conversations, picking up whispers of market sentiment and customer chatter. These insights can help you in preemptively refining product experiences, much like keeping an umbrella handy in case it starts to rain. You can strategize feature rollouts, speed up product design, reduce errors, and shorten your time to market. And when you're not just using Gen AI to flatten potential product roadblocks, you can discover opportunities to give your customers something completely new. For instance, Coca-Cola used generative AI to invite its lovers to sip the future. The brand fused human creativity and AI's binary imagination to create the new Coca-Cola Y3000 Zero Sugar. It was crafted by blending perspectives from people around the world and the way they imagine tomorrow through emotions, aspirations, and flavors. The responsibility of interpreting these insights and coming up with something original was left to generative AI. Imagine a drink that encapsulates the dreams and colors of what lies ahead. Imagine a flavor inspired by the collective vision of a world of yet to come. That's how Coca-Cola used AI to give birth to the Y3000s. Generative AI is opening doors to a new world of customer experiences. Every interaction, every product tweak becomes more thoughtful, more in tune with what your customers truly want. Conversations that really click, products that feel just right. It might just be your key to customer happiness. Feeling that sense of wonder? We hope this video lit up your imagination. Stay with us on this journey. There's so much more to explore with what AI can do for you. Until next time.